Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. Just popping on very quickly. I wanted to share this little journal with you. I am on a Facebook group with Carrie Ann. She designs all the paper kits. It's called Shabby Art Boutique. Absolutely stunning what she does. Her work is absolutely amazing. And I actually joined her craft room group, which is a monthly thing, and we get special kits and things on now. I'll leave the link to her Facebook group down below, so you can pop over, have a look, and maybe join the group and, you know, start crafting and stuff. So this is what I made with this month's craft room group. It's this gorgeous little journal. I put this tassel on the sides there with just the key and the ribbons and lace on there. Put this gorgeous picture on the front, Hotel de France. We really love this image with the suitcase and that on there. It only has one signature in this one. I use this gorgeous picture on the back there. Absolutely stunning. So it's just got a ribbon closure on here. We go on the inside here first. You can see we've got two little pockets here. These were actually pockets that came, envelopes that came with the kit, and I just cut the top of them off to make them as pockets, because I wanted to be able to tuck in behind the envelope, as well as, so you've got like a double pocket on each one. So I just got a couple of little postcards in the front there of each one, and then I just put two pieces in the back there, so you can see that that's like a double pocket on there. Get them back in there. Just like so. It's exactly the same with the top one now. So on this side, the cover obviously opens up that way, but I put a pocket on here, and then we have a card in there, a journal card with that gorgeous picture on. I just put lines on the back of that one. That tucks in there like so, and then this one with this gorgeous picture on, I just got that one on the other side. And I slide in there like so, and then just put the picture with the corset on the top. You can see that, really stunning. And then that opens out again that way. This is the signature in here, obviously. On the back here, you can see that okay. I made 3 pockets on here, so you've got different size little booklets in there. So you've got the long one in the back, which is just used that image with the lines on the back, and then that just slips in the back there. And then you've got a medium sized one with that image on, tucks in there, and then you've got the smaller one there that has that one on it. and these have all got lined papers on them on the opposite sides, and they tuck in there like that. Then we've got the signature here. Really do love these images, really beautiful. So you've got that one on the front, and then I printed this paper on the other side. In this first page, just to let you know, see, printers don't always work as we want them to. I was printing these lined pages out, and for some reason my printer decided to completely miss this edge of the page and print it plain white. So I still used it, I didn't want to waste it, and all I've done was made a little tuck spot in there with a journal card. So as you can see, there's a white one there. These are really gorgeous images, really stunning. So I put a couple of pieces of like plain in between each print, and then just use the printed one with that on the back in between, just to pretty it up a little bit. That's that image again, and then it's just sewn in there, as you can see. Up. And it's just got a pattern piece on it. This one here, if I can get hold of it, has got the little perfume jar and roses on. This one here has just got the flowers on it. Really cute little images they are. And that there has just got the plain pink. And then behind the signature itself, I put another tuck spot in there. And obviously these come out like so. And these are just printed the images out a little bit smaller. I made the pocket as fussy cut round to that one. So they just slide in the back there. That postcard and that postcard. So they will just slide in to that pocket there, like so. So yeah, that's me little journal for that one. Really love these papers, really stunning. Thank you very much, Carrie Ann. Yeah, love them. Really enjoyed playing with this one and seeing what I could do with it. So hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you enjoy what you're seeing, then obviously like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. I will link Carrie Ann's Facebook group for you down below, and also her Etsy shop as well. But yeah, go on over, have a look. I think you'll be quite pleasantly surprised on what you can get off of there. Yeah, and that's it for now, guys. I don't know if you guys actually want tutorial or not. I've not really had much response from me asking you guys, so again, if you want a tutorial, please leave your comments down below. I'd love to do, you know, some more tutorials with you guys. So that's it for me today, guys. Love you lots. Mwah. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.